In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update your Nvidia drivers. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser here on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but essentially go ahead and search for Nvidia app. Hit enter, and what you're going to want to do is download the Nvidia app for games and creators by just opening up the website and then selecting download now and then going through with the installation process. After you go ahead and download that app, you could just search directly for it, but it'll also create a desktop and most likely open automatically for you if it is your first time doing this, where you'll be prompted to sign into your account. But don't worry, you don't need an account if you don't want to. You can either use the search bar or on the left-hand sidebar, you could select drivers just like so. And from here, you'll see all of the drivers. Like for example, I actually do have an update for this. But once you select drivers, you're going to automatically see, the most recent driver for your game, along with the release date, the version number, and details about what's new or fixed. To update it, simply hit download, and after the download finishes, install that driver, and your screen may flash back a few times during the installation. Don't worry, that is normal. And this process does take a few minutes, but whenever the driver is installed, restart your PC, make sure everything runs smoothly to avoid any issues with games or applications, and that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.